Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Charlotte and in today's video I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a unboxing about the LookFantastic beauty box. This box is a beauty subscription box where you pay $19 per month and receive a box like this. I love the color, with 6 premium beauty products. I will be leaving all the information below and also a link to get your LookFantastic. I wanted to thank LookFantastic for sponsoring this video, and yes, let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so first of all, I love the color. I mean, it's a pretty color. I don't wear it enough, but I think it's a pretty color. So the box says, "The mind is like water. When it's calm, everything becomes clear." Ooh. The first thing that I see when I open the box is, by the way, it's closed, is the Elle magazine. I don't know if I said it before, but this is the first time that I'm receiving a LookFantastic beauty box. So yes, this is new to me. She rocked yellow. She looks amazing in yellow. Ooh, me encanta. I love it. I have here the LookFantastic Beauty Box Edit, which I assume is, yes, it's like a little manual where they show you information about, so I think, okay, so it says the hydration edition. So I assume every month has like an edition, a topic. This month is all about hydration, for what I can, appreciate, because the skin is currently very dry in some areas, so I appreciate that. So they give you information about the products that are inside, and also tips and tricks to keep your complexion looking young and fresh. This is all that comes with the beauty box. Interesting. So the first thing that I see when I open the box, this is called Glove, the makeup remover your skin deserves. It's apparently a makeup remover for all skin types, which is amazing. Okay, this says moisten glove with water.
Press glove to your skin for a moment and gently remove makeup using a circular motion. Clean with glove magnet cleanser or with a bar soap.
Because you only need water to remove your makeup, which is very interesting. I received recently something like this, and I always I'm intrigued. Like, I cannot believe that you can remove makeup with only something like that, like I always do so many steps. I assume I have to take my makeup off with a bajillion things. So this is interesting. It came in the box. It's called Gold Eye Brightening and Firming. This is an eye cooling pads. This is basically to make your under eye brighter and get rid of a little bit of under eye bags. This mask utilizes a special skin gel technology for exceptional comfort and I don't know how to say that word, so let's forget that. This is interesting. It has hyaluronic acid, which is very famous because it helps with hydration. It basically keeps your skin fresh and moisturized. Okay, so last week I didn't sleep much. I was very stressed, as you guys may know and follow me on IG. You guys know the reason. But now I'm in a positive light, and anyways, I had a photo shoot last week and I needed to look awake and fresh, so this helped a lot, and I really liked the product. Here we have another product. I don't know if you guys can see this product, but it's called Aromatherapy Associates. This is the brand. I've never heard of that brand before. It's a body gel, refreshing and invigorating. It smells very strong, like flowers, but very intense. Like I don't know. It smells like a rose. Next we have the Ico London Fat Liquid Eyeliner in black. Ooh, dramatic long wear carbon black. I love a good black eyeliner. This is very pigmented. Oh my god. Yes. I always wear a classic eyeliner. I love the color. Is very pigmented. It's actually very easy to use. The line is done. It says that it's a long wear eyeliner, which is great. Now we have here this product, and it's a agua micellar, a micellar water. And let me tell you guys, this is a pretty good size. I would say this is a full size. I have other waters like this, the same size, so I would say this is a really good size. So basically this is an illuminating micellar water. Has aloe vera, green tea, raspberry, lemon, and sage. I love the packaging, and I love that it says a few words in Spanish. Okay, it's made in Spain. Yeah, that's why it has a few words in Spanish. Okay, doesn't smell like anything in particular, but I'm excited to try this out. I love this product. It's very gentle on my skin, and it removes all the dirt that you cannot see. Honestly, it's amazing. I really like this product, and I'm glad I found it in the box. The last product is the Elemis, I hope I pronounced that correctly, Hydra Balance Day Cream. So it says this ultra light antioxidant rich day cream provides continuous hydration and helps balance normal to combination skin. That's nice. Well, I have combination skin. It says that it's an advanced skincare. This is a moisturizer for every morning or before you put on your makeup. This is a good moisturizer to have. So okay, so my first impression of the moisturizer is that it's actually it absorbs really fast on the skin, and I can see why it's for normal to combination skin. Somebody with very oily skin would not be a fan of the cream because it leaves a little bit of that shiny and that, you know. But since I have combination to oily skin, I have hope. It feels nice on the skin. I can tell my skin is hydrated, and this is on my hand. I feel that in my face it will work a thousand times better. So that's everything that came in my LookFantastic beauty box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Kisses, and see you guys next time. Ciao.